It's almost time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
Live from Albany, the capital of the Empire State, this is After Hours with Joe Bonilla, starring Joe Bonilla and featuring the alluring Alyssa. And I'm Chris Daly. Tonight, Joe welcomes Services Key President Jermaine Wright and the Girls Wrestling Club Captain Gabie Kamaker. Tonight's musical guest is Sam Pine from the Kneebenders. Here he is now, the man of the half hour, Joe Grape Jelly Man Bonilla.
Hey everybody! Hello and welcome to After Hours! Yay! This is season 4. I can count now. That's 4 numbers on my hand. Yay! Big week here at UAlbany. A lot of things have gone on. Barbara Walters being one of them. First off, I'll start off with J.B. Buno, director of Albany Student Television, interviewed Barbara Walters. Give it up for J.B. Buno. There you go. After the interview, Barbara Walters said, I kind of want to see your view, if you know what I'm saying. Uh-oh. Barbara Walters getting raw there.
Joe?
UAlbany just also announced that they will, something happened on the floor. They just were going to announce budget cuts for 5 different programs. One of them being the Department of Theater. Ooh, theater. A little ominous right there. It's not that good. When asked about the theater cuts, 6 UAlbany students, who were all theater majors, went down to the Capitol. The legislature said they were never more impressed of seeing Rent performed live right there. We have a big show. We have Jermaine Wright. Oh.
No, not yet.
Season 4, things happen. You're ready to go. Jermaine Wright from Services Key is here. Yay! Chris, who do we have after that?
We have Gabie Kamaker.
There you go! So we'll see you in 2 seconds. Yay!
The type to keep a couple $100 in the rubber band. Just left MoneyGram in the lemon lamp. Hot damn, make me scream like a summer jam. I mean, that shorty must be from the motherland. Anyway, I think I met him in the sky. When I was a geisha, he was a samurai. Somehow I understood him when he spoke Thai. Never spoke lies and he never broke fly. S on my chest, let me give my cape on. He's so thugged out, Ghostface and Raekwon. Convict just like Akon. Cause you know the stitches be putting the Jake on. Shouty, I'ma only tell you this once. You're the illest boss I got that dough. For your living, I'ma die hard like Bruce Willis. You got spark, you got spark, you got something all the girls want. You're like a candy store and I'm a top lord. You got me wanting more. Your love, your love, your love, your love.
What you doing there, Mike? What the? Oh shit! I'm drunk and disorderly, active and normally. Everybody gon' really know my name. I'm drunk and disorderly, active and normally. All the ladies gon' be feeling on my game. I'm drunk and disorderly, active and normally. I'm throwing up.
We're back on After Hours, and I completely forgot somebody in my monologue, which I always do. Sam Pine from Kneebenders will be performing tonight. Yay! So last year, as I had all throughout a cavalcade, yes, Chris Sally, a cavalcade of co-hosts. Give it up for Alyssa! Yay!
Hey.
Somebody likes you out there.
Everybody likes me.
That's not bad. So what's going on? You're here on the show. How's life?
It's all right. It's okay.
That's
nothing
not bad.
exciting.
That's not bad. So correct me if I'm wrong.
I will.
You were part of a group The Belly Dancing Club.
Yes, that was.
How was that experience for you?
It was really fun. I mean, got to learn new dances,
Yep.
meet a lot of cool, crazy people. It was a good time. It was fun. Got to dance all.
There you go,
sexy
like
and
little
whatnot.
movements.
Yeah, you know.
There you go. It's not
Dance
bad.
like a genie in a bottle.
Yeah.
So,
Baby.
I see. Well, Chris Allen must like that. There you go.
Later, Chris.
So, this weekend I had the opportunity to manage this whole Barbara Walters event.
Okay.
And I had Chris Allen work with me. And Chris, can you tell us about your experience?
Boy, once upon a time, there was a man named Joe Bonilla. And he seemed like a great man. He had his own company. He had a lot of stuff going for him. And so, I was a little kid about an hour ago, met Joe, worked with him for a little while. And you know what he does? He waits till the very last minute to do anything. There was
It's
a
the
lot
Puerto
of
Rican
stuff.
way, Chris Allen.
I was about to say, typical
That's
Puerto
nice.
Rican.
That's great. There was a lot of stuff that Barbara Walters needed. Some stuff she needed. Godiva chocolate. Who bought the Godiva chocolate?
Not me.
I did. When did I buy the Godiva chocolate?
What's that?
When did I buy the Godiva chocolate?
Right before the show.
And why was that?
Because I didn't tell you till the show.
Exactly. What else did Barbara Walters need? Fiji water.
Fiji water.
Fiji
I
water.
wrote down Fuji by accident. I couldn't spell.
Who bought that?
Chris Allen.
Yes, I know. I know. What about the stage?
You built that as well.
That's right. And I built that from toothpicks. Because I didn't have what? Enough time to get a real stage.
I'm
Joe
sorry.
Bonilla, really, I'm thoroughly and so totally disappointed in you. You make me cry. You should be ashamed of
Did that buy you a
yourself.
chicken sandwich?
No.
Oh, then all right. Anyway, enough sad notes. We have our first guest, which is the president of Services Key, Jermaine Wright. Oh, switch real quick. Switch. There you go.
Switch.
Oh, yes.
Watch your thing.
Season 4, things happen.
Things happen. We're still good. Allie, you get adjusted. How's the chair for you?
It's all right.
That's not bad. A little sunken in.
Reminds me of the one in the office.
It's
feel
lived
involvement.
It's got a nice used feel to it.
So, Services Key.
Right.
Tell us about Services Key.
Well, it's a peer education and community service
Okay.
organization. Started, actually, I guess I want to say a year ago.
Okay.
I started in my my second semester of my freshman year.
Okay.
And last year was just like huge kickoff.
Not bad. Now,
So,
the organization is called Service Key. Do you actually have any keys?
yeah, the one around my neck.
Word?
Yeah.
Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad.
So,
So what have you guys done? Like, what have been some events that you guys have?
well, we do programs and events. We have had game day for disabled, so we rallied up all the kids from the Disability Resource Center,
Okay.
had play games with them. We work with kids, we work with elderly. One of our huge events was the hip hop and gospel fusion.
Oh, okay.
So it was like a hip hop.
Oh, that was in March.
Yep.
Yes.
So it was like a hip hop competition and a gospel concert. The winner
Okay.
won $500. Blah blah blah. And then we donated all the money to the Haiti Relief Fund.
That's
so.
not bad. Good, community service. There you go. With keys.
And service.
So where does that key go to, actually?
Well, this key. It's not a real place for it to go, but around my neck. But yeah.
Okay. That's fine.
There's no real lock.
There's no real lock, so you just have the key for
Well,
no other apparent reason.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Pretty bad.
Now
You have
there's
keys
a reason.
like Joe Bonilla has jobs.
Right. For
Okay.
nothing.
All
Right.
For
Okay.
what? All right. So, are you involved with any other group?
Yeah. I'm also the public relations and outsourcing director for Nemesis Dance Crew.
That's not bad. Nemesis. There you go. There you go. You guys, weren't you on 106 in Park?
Twice. Yes. we were.
Twice. Not just once, but twice. There you go.
That's 2 times, Joe.
I can count, Chris Sally. All right. That's not bad. So, you have any events coming up?
Well, I think we're performing for Fuerza Night. We have our annual show. We have a big competition down in the city for $2,000 on, I forgot what date that is, November sometime. So we have a lot coming up.
That's not bad. Well, it's great having you on the show.
Yep.
Stay
Pleasure
tuned,
being here.
and we'll be right back.
crazy.
And we're back on After Hours. So we were just talking in between the break about what we had to do for Barbara Walters, and some of the things we had to get was Godiva chocolate.
Why did she need Godiva chocolate?
She didn't even eat it.
Like, what's wrong with the cheap chocolate?
Because
like the
she's
99
Barbara
cent
Walters.
I don't care who you are. And then I heard she didn't even eat it.
Nope.
She asked for all that and didn't even eat the chocolate.
Nope.
There's people in Ethiopia starving and want that chocolate, and she
Made
didn't
me
even
run to Macy's to buy Godiva chocolate.
I don't care who you are. You eat the damn chocolate if you ask for it. If you ask me.
She also got skim milk. Ran around the whole building for
You
skim
want
milk.
chocolate and
No,
then you
who ran
wanna,
around the building for the skim milk?
Chris Sally did.
That's right.
She wanted to drink the skim milk for good measure because she's like, yeah, you know, I'm going to have chocolate, so let me just make myself feel better and drink the skim milk. Didn't work, but all right.
In theory. In theory.
I guess.
Anyway, my next guest is Gabie! Hello! Oh, that's so convenient.
Nice save right there. Alyssa,
And
please don't fall.
we have to learn this. We have to figure out a better way for this.
It
So
always falls out. I don't
it
know
always
why.
falls out. Yeah. So Gabie,
Yes.
tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm a sophomore here at
Okay.
the beautiful UA.
Beautiful UA, yes.
Yes, lovely with 10 shades of gray.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm also the captain of the wrestling team. Yes, UA is soon going to have a female wrestling club.
That is very
Woo!
There we go.
I'm excited too. I love wrestling with girls.
There you go.
That's what she said. She did say that.
Well,
That's what she
let me
said.
stop. So, how did you form that group? I mean, you had to find people for
Well,
that.
yeah, it's really hard to find girls that want to wrestle because, you know, most girls like to get their nails done and, you
Nails
know,
did, yes.
Yeah, nails did, get their hair did. And wrestling around and having your face thrown on a mat doesn't really work for girls like that. So, we had the Indian Quad block party. We got a couple girls to sign up there, and I went out one night with a few friends of mine. We went to a gay club downtown called Waterworks.
Okay.
I found a couple girls there too.
Okay.
And yeah, that's about it.
Interesting.
Yeah.
There you go.
Freshman
No better
and-
segue than that, right?
Freshman and gay
all right, so
clubs.
let's continue the journey in your life right now. So, female wrestling club. What else?
Well, I'm also a religious person.
Oh, that's good.
Yes, I am Jewish, and I love to go to Shabbos house and
Okay.
eat the delicious non-Chartwell's food. It's quite tasty, and it's very friendly afterwards too.
Right.
And I also like to party
I like
As
to
do
party.
I.
Yes.
As do I.
with
Gabby.
with Elisa.
I see.
Yes.
I see. So.
We live together.
Yeah, we do
Same
live
suite.
together. Mhm.
Well, there you
Crazy
go.
times.
There
Crazy
you
times.
go.
Yeah, all day.
So tell me, I guess, if you're saying like you like to party, so I'm sure you must have stories. Or do you remember the stories?
What type of partier do you think I am?
I'm just saying. I'm just putting it out there.
Well, this one time in Albany, No, I don't really have many stories that
I see. One more time. All right, it's not bad. I mean, I like the look though. The bandana and the big glasses. There
Well,
you go.
the better to see you with, my dear.
There you go. All right. Well, now we talked about a little bit of things. Now, what do you like to do besides partying?
I really like to knit.
I like to knit as well, actually. Revelation, no one will ever go around with.
What else
What do you like to knit?
Well, I'm not that great of a knitter, so I can make, squares and rectangles. So blankets, scarves, square-shaped scarves, long blankets. That's about it.
Now, do you have multiple colors for these?
Well, some thread comes in colors, some thread comes black and
Really?
white. Some yarn also comes multicolored with
Okay.
little fuzzy things sticking out.
That's not bad.
Mm-hmm,
That
yeah,
sounds very
quite a variety.
inventive. Artistic, if you will.
Oh, yeah.
We've got that point.
Wow.
All right. Well, that's not bad. So you're living with this one right here.
I am.
Yeah, she is.
Can you tell me your perspective on Alyssa? There you go.
Well, Alyssa.
I live with you. Think about that.
Alyssa lives in the room right next to mine.
Okay.
When Alyssa's not sleeping, which is not that much of the day, she likes to talk quite loudly. I
Puerto
always
Rican.
hear all her conversation, even the parts I don't want to know about. She likes to use Skype a lot.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Who do you talk with on Skype?
Yeah. Who do you talk to on Skype?
Oh God.
Who don't you talk to on Skype? There you go.
Who don't I talk to on Skype? Everyone, because I only have like 3 friends on Skype.
Oh, that's so sweet.
I'm not even gonna lie.
That's kind of sad.
It is. But I mean, hey,
We know her situation.
I'm more of a face-to-face type person.
That's why we
No.
took her into our suite.
I
Yeah.
see. One
Felt,
of those
felt bad for
girls.
her a little bit.
It's a little pity mixed with a little,
I just,
other stuff.
I don't know what I would do without you, Abby. I really don't.
Oh, look at
It's really sentimental.
Yeah, well, I'm over it, but
you know. All right, it's not bad.
great. It's fun.
Well, it was great having you on the show.
Oh, thank you.
Will you stick around to see Sam Pine?
For sure.
Absolutely. We'll be
Yeah.
right back on After Hours.
Yeah.
Guys, we've been here for an hour. All we need is a stupid slogan for this show.
How about the sketchy character show better than chugging a bottle of hot sauce?
Yes, it is. Give me another one.
The sketchy character show. It makes you poop.
Does it?
It's like an energy drink for your humor!
Okay, I was thinking a little less roid rage, a little more humor.
The sketchy character show, because porn isn't free.
Yeah, yes it is. Haven't you ever heard of the internet?
The sketchy character show, we don't have a slogan.
Jimmy, we haven't heard from you. I know you're sitting on a gem over there.
Okay, how about the sketchy character show, the most making show on earth.
What the
And we're back on After Hours, as I've been forgetting everything this episode.
What else have you forgotten, Joe?
The After Hours giveaway! Yay! Each week that we have a show, I'll be giving away something ranging from movie tickets and iPod. We're not giving away iPod out today. I'm very sorry.
That's next week.
I am giving away movie tickets today, but you can't pick them up today because I didn't bring them with me right now. Shut up, clowns. So listen, here you go.
Here I go.
Pick a number.
Okay. And the number is 11.
Oh, damn. Yeah.
No 11.
Who's 11?
Who
This
has
can't happen.
number 11?
Another one.
Oh, sucks for him. All right.
This cannot happen again another year in a row.
All right. Number 1. Come on, yeah.
That's you? Yeah. Come up here real quick. Yay, number 1. Bring this to the SA office on Monday. There you go. Yay. Okay, anyway.
Okay.
Our musical guest, the Kneebenders.
Yeah!
Woke up today feeling mean. I looked down at my legs, I was still wearing my jeans. I don't know what was done or what was said. Who is that person lying next to me in bed? My brain's a maze through which I've crawled, with twists and turns and see-through walls. I regulated my liver scene, forgot my limit was 3 G's on the green. And when I'm busted and I'm broke, can't find anything to smoke, I'll catch that smile start to creep. Neither of us got any sleep, and when there is nowhere to breathe, there are beer stains on my sleeve. I'll find a way to stay on top, 'cause myself is all I've got. Sunday morning feeling blue, holding off doing all those papers that are due. Walked out the door with my best hat on. My sun is bright and my sense of taste is gone. So many things running through my mind. Oh God, I wish that I could just go back in time. I got this feeling that I can't ignore. Call it world weary, felt before. And when I'm busted and I'm broke, can't find anything to smoke, I'll catch that smile start to creep. Neither of us got any sleep, and when there is nowhere to breathe, there are beer stains on my sleeve. I'll find a way to stay on top, 'cause myself is all hell. 1 or 2 turn to 3 or 4, and my downwards fade when I'm once more. And the dream of our old past has ceased to haunt me at last, 'cause everything I ought to feel is set aside for the girl in heels, and I just string along. And when I'm busted and I'm broke, can't find anything to smoke, I'll catch that smile start to creep. Neither of us got any sleep, and when there is nowhere to breathe, there are beer stains on my sleeve. I'll find a way to stay on top, 'cause myself is all I've got. Myself is all I've got. Myself is all I've got. And the dream of our old past has ceased to haunt me and you at last, 'cause everything I ought to feel has been denied by that girl in heels, and I just string along. and I just string along.
What you doing there, Mike?
What the? Oh shit! I'm drunk and disorderly, active and normally. Everybody gon' really know my name. I'm drunk and disorderly, active and normally. All the ladies gon' be feeling on my game. I'm drunk and disorderly, active and normally. I'm throwing up.
That's all we have for After Hours. Thank you, Alyssa, for coming on the show. Yay, Alyssa!
Thanks for having me.
Jermaine Wright from Services Key, Gabie, and the Kneebenders. And to play us out, the Kneebenders. And we'll see you next week! 2, 3, 4!